Sugess ST1907, the mechanical pilot chronograph that feels priceless. Feeling stuck with generic watches that lack personality and mechanical charm? The Sugess ST1907 transforms wristwear into an interactive experience, blending vintage pilot aesthetics with a colorful dopamine dial that catches the eye instantly. Its domed sapphire crystal and luminous hands make reading time effortless. Comment if you've ever wished your watch felt alive and precise. Daily routines can be a blur when your timepiece isn't reliable or inspiring. Imagine a chronograph that combines smooth column wheel mechanics, tactile pushers, and historical significance in a single wristwatch. The ST1907 delivers this harmony, allowing you to track time and events while enjoying a vivid, engaging design that elevates both functionality and style throughout your day. The Sugess ST1907 Swan-Neck Pilot Mechanical Chronograph is a triumph of mechanical precision and design elegance. At its core is the original Seagull ST1907 manual wind movement, featuring a Swan-Neck regulator for precise rate adjustments and a column wheel chronograph for smooth, satisfying timing. The 41mm 316L stainless steel case balances presence and comfort, while the domed sapphire crystal enhances clarity and scratch resistance. The pilot-inspired dial features luminous hands and markers for low-light readability, a chronograph with 30-minute and continuous second subdials, and a distinctive dopamine coating on the aluminum bezel that subtly shifts under light. Additional features include a power reserve of 48 hours, curved anti-reflective crystal, folding clasp with safety for secure fastening, and water resistance up to 100 meters. The exhibition case back reveals blued screws, golden gears, and the elegant Swan-Neck regulator. One enthusiast noted, "I wind it every morning. It feels like connecting with horological history." Comment, yes, if you want the bonus tip for matching this chronograph with any outfit effortlessly. The Sugess ST1907 isn't just a timepiece. It's a mechanical story on your wrist. Experts praise its access to a historically significant column wheel architecture usually reserved for high-end chronographs. Influencers highlight the crisp tactile feedback of the pushers and the mesmerizing dome of the sapphire crystal, which adds both vintage flair and practical scratch resistance. Users rave about the dopamine-coated bezel and luminous hands, describing them as functional art that glows in action. Water resistance up to 100 meters, a robust stainless steel case, and a folding clasp with safety ensure it is ready for everyday use or adventurous excursions. The 48-hour power reserve and precise manual wind mechanism give a tactile connection often absent in automatic watches. One collector shared, "Watching the column will engage through the exhibition back is pure horological therapy." Another commented, "The value is insane. It's a piece of history, art, and engineering for a fraction of what Swiss brands would charge." Thousands are embracing the ST1907 for its rare combination of mechanical elegance, pilot chronograph heritage, and vibrant aesthetics. Which feature excites you most? The Swan-Neck regulator, domed crystal, or dopamine dial? Comment below and join the conversation. This watch proves that craftsmanship and visual flair can coexist flawlessly. Act today to elevate your wrist with the Sugess ST1907, a chronograph that blends tactile mechanics, vintage pilot design, and vibrant dopamine dial aesthetics. Collectors and newcomers alike are praising the column wheel chronograph, domed sapphire crystal, luminous hands, and robust stainless steel case for unmatched value and sophistication. Click now to uncover an insider styling tip that maximizes its visual impact. Don't just watch. Claim a watch that turns every moment into a mechanical and visual delight, while showcasing your horological taste to the world.